Hey Kansas City, our 2024 is well underway, and what an exciting start to the year we have had. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's housing market update right outside of Children's Mercy Stadium for Sporting KC, whose first home game is this coming Saturday. Well, when we look at the housing market in January, we did see 4.9% less homes closed overall in Kansas City, with 9.8% less in Johnson County. Our prices did continue to increase as home values went up 3.7% overall in Kansas City and 3.9% in Johnson County. The number of homes continues to be short compared to the number of buyers, so we did see 8.8% less homes go for sale in January of this year and 8.3% in Johnson County, which overall puts us at a 1.7 month inventory, which is still a seller's market. Now the question of the month is there a price range that we're starting to see a change in that inventory? And the answer to that is yes. If you are looking for a new construction home in the 600 pluses, the builders have extra of those homes, which are all getting completed this spring, and so we're starting to see some options for people to select from. As always, it is our pleasure being your real estate consultant for life, and if you have any questions or your friends or family do, feel free to let us know.